One cost $1.5 billion to build, a monument of steel, glass, and human ambition, the tallest building on Earth. The other, a video game. And in 24 hours, it will make more money than the Burj Khalifa makes in a decade. How is that even possible? On paper, they're equals. The Burj Khalifa, $1.5 billion. GTA 6, $1 to $2 billion, the most expensive entertainment product ever made. But their value, their economics, their future? They're not just different. One is a masterpiece of atoms. The other is a god of code. Today, we break down why a digital world can out-earn a physical wonder, using real financial data, launch projections, and the shocking truth about how modern value is created. If you enjoy deep, evidence-based breakdowns like this, please hit like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference for the channel. Let's start with the Burj Khalifa. It's 828 meters tall. That's over half a mile into the sky. It has 57 elevators, including the world's fastest, which shoots you up at 10 meters per second. And its glass facade? 24,000 windows. A team of 36 specialists needs 3 full months just to clean them all. But here's the truth. Its owner, Amar Properties, has openly admitted, we don't make money from the tower itself. Why? Because its total annual revenue from the Armani Hotel, premium office leases, luxury residences, and the at-the-top observation deck is only about $200 million. After $20 million in yearly maintenance for cooling in Dubai's 50 degrees Celsius heat, elevator upkeep, security, and utilities, the net payback stretches to over 10 years. But the real story isn't just about revenue. It's about how that $1.5 billion price tag was achieved. 2 brutal efficiencies made it possible. First, design. Engineers called it a knitting needle stuck in concrete, ultra skinny, inspired by Islamic geometry, minimizing material use while maximizing height. It was built on virgin desert land, avoiding the chaos of urban construction. Second, labor. Workers earned less than $10 a day in a country with no minimum wage. At its peak, 12,000 laborers worked in shifts, often in dangerous conditions, to erect this symbol of modernity. So yes, the Burj Khalifa is a marvel, but it's also the absolute limit of what physical assets can achieve. It's finite. It decays. It's bound by geography, physics, and human cost. And despite all that, it's still losing the race. GTA 5, the blueprint for what's coming. It cost $265 million to make, less than 18% of the Burj's budget. Yet in 24 hours, it made $800 million. In 3 days, it crossed $1 billion, faster than Avengers, Avatar, or any film in history. But that was just the entry fee. Over the next 10 years, GTA Online transformed into a $10 billion platform, earning $500 million in its 10th year alone. Let that sink in. Burj Khalifa, $200 million per year from all streams combined. GTA 5, $500 million per year from online microtransactions alone, in year 10. The building is constrained, 160 hotel rooms per night, 1.8 million observation visitors per year. The game is infinite. 100 million players can log in simultaneously. Zero marginal cost for each new user. Constant updates, heists, casinos, apartments, creator mode. GTA 5 didn't just survive, it evolved. It turned players into co-creators, building businesses inside its world. This wasn't a product, it was a digital nation with its own economy, culture, and GDP. GTA 6, the most ambitious entertainment project ever conceived. Its budget? $2 billion, more than Avengers Infinity War and Endgame combined, more than Avatar and Star Wars put together. Why so much? Because Rockstar isn't just making a game, they're building a persistent, living world, a metaverse where players don't just play, they live. Launch projections are staggering. 20 million copies sold in 24 hours. At $70 to $80 per copy, that's $1.4 to $1.6 billion on day one. Some analysts predict $2 billion in 24 hours, earning back its entire budget before launch. But the real play? GTA Online 2.0. Take-Two CEO Strauss Zelnick confirmed they plan to run both GTA Online and GTA 6 Online simultaneously, creating 2 revenue engines from one franchise. Even more revolutionary? GTA 6 is being designed as a creator economy. Players will build missions, design clothing, sell vehicles, and monetize content, just like in Roblox or Fortnite. Rockstar takes a cut, the community builds the world. It's not a game, it's a platform. And unlike the Burj Khalifa, which serves one city, GTA 6 will serve 200 million players, everywhere, forever. Atoms versus code, the new economic law. The Burj Khalifa is constrained by physics. Max height is 828 meters. Max hotel rooms 160 per night. Max visitors 1.8 million per year. GTA 6 is constrained by nothing. Players scalable to millions. Servers elastic cloud infrastructure. Content updated weekly forever. Physical assets decay. Digital platforms compound. This isn't theory, it's economic law. Netflix didn't beat Blockbuster with better stores. Amazon didn't beat Walmart with more warehouses. They won with code that scales. GTA 6 is the ultimate expression of this truth. The most valuable things in the 21st century aren't owned, they're experienced. The hidden risk: trust is fragile. But there's a catch. GTA 6's empire rests on one fragile foundation: player trust. If it launches buggy, like Cyberpunk 2077, players leave. If microtransactions feel predatory, the backlash is instant. If the world feels empty, the hype dies in days. Unlike the Burj Khalifa, which stands for centuries, a digital world can collapse overnight. Rockstar knows this. That's why they've delayed GTA 6 twice, to get it right. Because in the digital age, perfection isn't optional. It's the price of entry. The bigger picture? Redefining value. The Burj Khalifa was built to put Dubai on the map. GTA 6 is being built to redefine what a product even is. In the 20th century, value was owned. Buildings, cars, factories. In the 21st century, value is experienced. Platforms, networks, worlds. And the most powerful platforms aren't just used, they're lived in. GTA 6 won't just be played, it will be inhabited. And that changes everything. Final thought. So yes, a video game can be worth more than the tallest building on Earth. Not because it's flashier, but because it's alive. If you found this breakdown mind-blowing, please hit like and subscribe. It helps more people discover this channel. And type in the comments, what's the most valuable digital thing you own? Is it a game skin, a crypto wallet, a domain name, a YouTube channel? Drop it below. See you next time.